What is going on, everyone? Joe here today with an on-average event. So I'm going to be getting ready. I have the pleasure of attending a pretty big event. Let's just call a spade here. Creed. Y'all heard of that brand before? I am invited to attend a Creed event today for the launch of their new fragrance. And I'm excited. I get to go in the city, but more importantly, I get to take you all with me. So come on. Obviously, I'm not going to be dressed like this. We'll discuss a little bit more. Stay tuned. No pressure, Joe. This is New York Fashion Week also, not just a Creed event. So I figured I'd step out with Tibet 28 from the Labo. I just did a review on it. Pink shirt, white G-Shock, Cassie Oak, A with the moonwalk, dancing vibes, Vachetta tan bands, and jeans. Currently on my way to this train, Mineola. It's the vibes, it's the view. And yeah.
Where am I? New York City.
Surprisingly, Starbucks in the city was pretty prompt with my order, but they had some good music. I was kind of chilling out too for a second.
Apple crisp. See, I don't just do 8-shot espressos. I got that apple crisp today. Gotta be light with it. Stay tuned.
Also, let's take a moment to shout out this man right here, Imitsu from Simply Put Sense. I've been watching him since he started. Y'all know I'm like a grandpa here, but it was definitely great to catch up with Imitsu. Also, shouts to Oya for the photo cred. She was an amazing woman as well.
Objective secured. I'm already back on my side of town, waiting for my Uber. I still smell it. It's very strong. Not very strong, but performing. It's like 2 hours in now. I'll have a little bit more of an overview in 2 seconds.
And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. And I got a gift. That was really nice of them. I will say this. Creed goes all out for their events. Wow. Amazing scarf. Still smell it, by the way. This is just for decoration. I never really used it for anything else, but yeah. It's pretty dope. I mean, honestly, you could have just given me this and I'd have been satisfied. Just so you could kind of see Creed bag with a seal, even. Sealed with a kiss. Okay. Creed book. Shout outs. I bet you didn't know, but the spine of the book is made to spell out the letter Creed. This is a pretty cool. Gonna be an interesting read for sure. This is like a collector's item, especially if you could collect the other letters, C-R-E-E. So it's a series, releases every certain amount of time. This bag felt heavy. And while the book is heavy, I knew it was because of what's in here. And what's in here is Carmina. So obviously, clearly, this is given to me from the brand for attending the event because I am the unaverage one. Of course, If you've ever had any Creed fragrance in your life, you get this pamphlet with the founders of Creed right there and information. Also, I know for a fact that this is real, okay? Because it literally came from Creed. So, all of that. This is the new style for their bottles. By the way, you notice I changed the light now to fit the aesthetic of what's going on here. Cap, snug, really good. Creed. Actually, this cap is heavier than last time too. These caps weren't always this heavy. Carmina sprayer. Any day now. There we go. It's gonna fill the room. That's gonna fill the room. Oh, Carmina, what do I think? Overall, this is going to be more of a feminine forward fragrance. I am getting a little bit more of the myrrh with the rose and cherry, lots of cherry on me. But I still kind of sense a little bit more of those tones of like other florals going on. There is a little bit of ambroxan too, which is kind of helping in my end make it a little bit more of a masculine tone rose fragrance. But also too, I just like rose fragrances, so I'd be able to pull this off anyway. Those who know me know I pretty much enjoy wearing rose fragrances. They make me feel like I'm on my Tuxedo Man vibes. Carmina. Listen, those who know me know I've been one of the biggest critics for Creed, okay? Usually. This is a very, very good release. This is different. This isn't what they were doing, which is everything that I asked and would have liked them to do. So, from that aspect, great job. This is a fragrance that actually has a little bit more darkness and depth to it, even though it's still going to be a little fresh. I get it. It's Creed. But at the same time, the use of the myrrh in woods do allow this to finally, step out a little bit. The same way I appreciate Original Santal or Tabaron Millicene is kind of like this, but this obviously is a little bit more feminine. Well, this is a lot more feminine than Tabaron Millicene, but this is a little bit more feminine than something like Original Santal. Performance also great. Bravo. This last period dot in the story. This will be a big hit for the fall, especially now going into the holidays. Personally, I feel that this fragrance will do well for any woman. This could rival Baccarat, in my opinion. Like, be the Creed's version of Baccarat. Not that this smells like it, but just something that they're just gonna wear and could use as a wedding scent or whatever the case may be. I feel that this will do that as more people try it and experience the fragrance. Men, I feel that you could get away with this for a full night, but you have to know that your significant other likes rose. I know some women that don't like their men to wear rose fragrances or like rose at all in general. Make sure you know, okay? I'm letting you know right now. I do feel that this is a very good release, and even if I wasn't given the bottle, this is something I would wear. But again, I'm on average. So there you have it. There are my thoughts on Creed's Carmina. Have you tried Carmina yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm glad I was able to take you all with me for this event, but stay tuned because I have another one coming up really, really, really soon.